Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and welcome back to a project run through. We're up and coming today, taking a look at some siding repairs that this customer has had us come out to take a look at. And it stinks because this house is very well maintained. The customer stayed up on painting and repairs. It's newer constructed home, and they use the siding called nichi siding, which is basically a cheaper version of hardy plank, is really what it comes down to. And so you'll see this again and again in our videos. Builders use this stuff because it's cheaper and they're saving money. Everything they save on the house is more profit to them. But in areas like here, or up on these dormers on either side here, where you've got siding in contact with the roof, there's a lot of water. And that's the one drawback to nichi is it will absorb that water and literally just crumble and break apart. And if you look closely over the right side of his front roof, it's hard to see in the video probably here with this light, but right there, that's a missing piece of siding that just crumbled and fell apart. You can see the next board up, the edge is starting to crumble and fall apart. So you got to replace about 4 or 5 rows in that area right there. The dormers are completely gone, so we'll have to replace all of it. We only use James Hardy plank. We don't use any knockoff product. In fact, James Hardy, in order to compete with nichi, created a builder grade unlabeled product that builders started using, and it's a cheaper product and it has the same issue. It's really that hardy plank is made under more pressure and has 7 layers of aggregate concrete slag in it, and this is 4 to 5 layers. You get the same issue right here. There's 4 rows right here that need to be replaced. Once it's painted, you'll never know it. His chimney's in worse shape. It's gonna be hard for me to video it. I can't get to the back side of it, but you can count on the back side of this chimney being all gone. See, when you look at the dormers, this area right through here and through here, so they both need to be completely replaced. And then when you get back to chimney, if you got a chimney on your house, look where the gutters hit the chimney, and if you've got nichi siding and it hasn't been replaced, you'll find that siding is crumbling. You can literally put your finger on it and fall apart. We come across this 5 to 10 times a week. It just is what it is. The kick-out flashing is that little piece of flashing that everyone skips that bridges the gap like here between where the gutter hits the house right here. But he's had so much rain on this thing, this whole right side has to be replaced. Most of it's crumbling and falling apart. The center face is good, and on the other side, I'm not gonna be able to video it, but where that other gutter hits on the left side of that rear chimney, there's like 6 rows that need to be replaced, and then we'll put kick-out flashing. And all kick-out flashing does is it's inset cut into the siding and sealed, and then folds over into the gutter, so no water's getting between the gutter and the chimney. That's what caused all this delamination here. I don't know if you can see up top, but it's had some caulking issues up there too, and the water just got to that upper corner from the weather, and it's all pulled apart, and it just ran down this quarter board. It's dark painted trim, so it's hard for me to see it from the ground, but part of what this chimney cap is resting on needs to be repaired and replaced as well. We'll do that with pressure treated wood, which is kind of impervious to borer bees, and it won't rot up there, and his chimney cap needs to be repainted as well. Once you make those repairs, he's in good shape. People like to use Handy Andy because we do a little bit of everything. You just have to be patient with us, that's all. You can reach us in the office, or you can sometimes reach me directly at 770-265-9017. But again, we pretty much do it all, and we have for years. So this will be a pretty straightforward project for us. That's it for now. See you at the next house. Bye-bye.